Welcome to a charming summer cottage where every room tells a story through vintage treasures, timeless furniture, and cozy decorating ideas. Today, we're taking a relaxing home tour filled with cottagecore inspiration, elegant farmhouse accents, antique finds, and simple decorating tips that create a warm, inviting atmosphere. Whether you're searching for summer home decor ideas, vintage decorating inspiration, or ways to make your house feel effortlessly cozy, this tour is full of practical ideas you can recreate in your own home. The living room welcomes you with soft linen slip-covered sofas, weathered wood coffee tables, delicate floral pillows, and antique accessories collected over many years. Natural sunlight pours through airy curtains, making every vintage frame and thrift decorative piece glow beautifully. Woven baskets, fresh wildflowers, and cozy knitted throws add layers of texture without overwhelming the space. This timeless living room proves that summer decorating isn't about buying everything new. It's about mixing meaningful vintage pieces with comfortable modern living. Step into the kitchen where open shelving displays antique ironstone dishes, vintage crockery, wooden cutting boards, and charming enamel pitchers. Brass hardware, natural oak countertops, and fresh herbs create a welcoming farmhouse kitchen that feels both elegant and functional. Every corner celebrates slow living and intentional decorating. Mixing old and new creates a collected over time aesthetic that homeowners across America continue to love for its warmth, personality, and enduring beauty. The dining room becomes the heart of the home with a reclaimed farmhouse table surrounded by mismatched vintage chairs full of character. Soft candlelight, fresh garden flowers, embroidered table runners, and delicate china transform ordinary meals into unforgettable summer gatherings. Layering antique decor with seasonal greenery creates a welcoming atmosphere perfect for entertaining family and friends while embracing timeless interior design trends that never lose their appeal. In the bedroom, crisp white bedding combines beautifully with vintage quilts, embroidered pillowcases, distressed wooden furniture, and soft lace curtains gently moving with the summer breeze. Neutral colors mixed with natural textures create a peaceful sanctuary inspired by classic cottage homes. Antique mirrors reflect warm morning light while woven rugs add comfort underfoot, making this bedroom feel relaxing, elegant, and wonderfully lived in throughout every season. Even the smallest bathroom becomes a luxurious retreat through thoughtful vintage styling. A clawfoot tub, brass fixtures, beadboard walls, woven storage baskets, and glass apothecary jars create an atmosphere reminiscent of a countryside bed and breakfast. Fresh eucalyptus, fluffy cotton towels, and antique mirrors complete the look. These affordable decorating ideas demonstrate how timeless design can transform everyday spaces into calming personal sanctuaries without requiring a major renovation. One of the greatest secrets behind a cozy cottage home is embracing thrift stores, flea markets, estate sales, and antique shops. Every carefully selected piece carries history and adds authenticity that mass-produced decor simply cannot replicate. Mixing vintage artwork, weathered furniture, handmade pottery, woven baskets, and family heirlooms creates a personalized interior filled with warmth and character. Decorating slowly allows your home to evolve naturally while staying timeless rather than trendy. Summer decorating feels most authentic when nature becomes part of your design. Fresh-cut flowers from the garden, linen textiles, wicker furniture, rattan accents, botanical prints, and soft earthy color palettes help blur the line between indoors and outdoors. Large windows invite sunlight to highlight every vintage treasure while gentle greenery breathes life into each room. These simple seasonal updates create a home that feels fresh, relaxed, and effortlessly welcoming all summer long. The beauty of timeless interior design lies in choosing quality over quantity. Instead of chasing fast-changing trends, focus on craftsmanship, natural materials, neutral color palettes, vintage furniture, light textures, and meaningful accessories. Every carefully curated piece contributes to a home that feels authentic, comfortable, and enduring. This decorating philosophy not only saves money over time but also creates spaces that remain beautiful for decades while adapting gracefully to every changing season. As our cozy summer cottage tour comes to an end, remember that the most beautiful homes are never built overnight. They are thoughtfully curated through meaningful collections, cherished vintage finds, timeless furniture, and personal memories gathered over time. Whether you begin with one thrift treasure, a cozy reading corner, or a simple bouquet of fresh flowers, every small detail brings you closer to creating a warm, inviting home filled with comfort, character, and lasting charm. If today's tour inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more timeless home decor ideas, cottagecore inspiration, vintage styling tips, and cozy farmhouse decorating inspiration.